Hey everybody, welcome to Glenn's Garage. Today, in this little video, we're going to be looking at the headlamp washer pump on the E46 project car. Come along, let's see how we can get this one sorted. Okay, so headlamp washer pump. If your E46 has the headlamp washers, you'll see this feature here. Powers out and squirts on those. Not all of them have them. It was, I believe, an option. I don't know if it came as part of a package or not, but it's on this convertible. And if you have that, then when you look at your washer bottle here, you'll see a pump down here. If you don't have it, the feature's all still here, but there's no pump. There is a second water pump back down under this air pump, and that's for the windshield washers, and then this is for the headlight washers. Now, mine was dripping slightly, so I made the mistake of going down here and jiggling on this hose slightly, thinking, well, maybe it might actually stop dripping and I don't have to deal with it. All I ended up doing was snapping off the little barb hose that comes out. So now I've got to replace the pump. Should have just taken it off and done the O-ring, which is what it needs. Anyway, so we're going to take it apart here. So if you're going to remove this, there's a clip on here. I'll show you that on the bench. There's a clip you just pop off, and then this will pull off the way, and it'll leave a little small hose that's molded as part of the pump sticking out here. Squeeze up here and remove the power, and then all you're going to do is do that and pull it out. And there you go. It's out. It's going to drip a little more, but that's the simple part. So we got the old one out. There's the BMW number if you're looking for it or you're trying to reference that number there. Okay, so start with, that's a little clip you have to remove so you can detach the hose from the pump. So this is the broken piece of the pump that I managed to snap off there. Now, having picked around inside the hose, what I found was it wasn't quite this broken when I started, but this end and that O-ring. And while I thought they were separate pieces, when I look at the replacement pump, there's that end and there's the O-ring there. So it had actually broken off on this end and then it snapped off on this end, and as you touched it, it was incredibly brittle. So that might explain why the whole thing was leaking in the first place, is that it detached. So we're going to put the new one in, hook it up, and we're going to see if we've actually fixed the problem. Okay, due to a videography error, your trusty videoer here and DIY car guy managed to mess up the video completely. I'm putting this back in, and it's all back in now. So it was very simple. You're going to just drop the pump straight down here so it clips in, push it down. On the hose, the black clip should be in place there. So that clip right there should be in place on the hose. You push the hose over the barbed fitting that's molded into the pump. It'll push over, plug that back in, and job's done. I've added just a little bit of extra fluid here to make sure it wasn't leaking before I fill this, because I don't want 5 liters of this dripping out. And so far so good, it's not dripping at all. I'm pretty pleased with that. That fixed my problem. If you have to replace the pump, that's where it is, and that's how you do it. It's not a difficult job. Another little job taken care of on the E46 Convertible. Thank you for watching. I hope it was helpful for some of you guys. Check out my other videos. Lots on the E46 here as we keep working our way through the various little issues. If you enjoyed it, hit like, subscribe, that'd be awesome. And come back, there'll be more. We'll continue to work on it, so there'll be more videos showing up and various things as we keep going forward. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.